Hello everyone, I am Surabhi. Welcome to my channel. We have Sunil here. Those of you who don't know, he's my husband, the homeschool dad, and he's here to answer the questions which are mainly asked after the video where I told about my choice to be a stay-at-home mom and why I decided to not go back to work and everything, because most of the questions were like, how did your husband react? How did your family adjust to this change or your choices? And rather than me talking about on his behalf, I thought let him come and tell us that this decision that I don't want to go back to work. I was fully qualified, everything, and it was a shock for you. It's a very big shock for you because you never thought I would be a stay-at-home mom, because it has never been in our family ever. So how did you cope up? How did you digest that news and then adjustment changes and all these years? It was a big change for our family as such. So I want to talk about, like, as a person, how you felt as a husband.
Okay, hello everyone. So this question of making adjustments, and yeah, I had to make a lot of adjustment. Broadly speaking, I think if I look at the overall picture, I see the first part is of the financial part. I think that was the most important initially when she made this decision. So first was because she chose not to work and be a full-time mom. That has a financial hit, and for that we have to make a few, I would say, adjustments.
A lot of adjustments.
A lot of adjustment, and the first one is, yeah, we are living in a very smaller house. Generally in India and in Singapore also we have bigger houses, but
no, the Indians are used to live in a bigger house. Even in Singapore, the Indians, even our condo mates or like other apartments, they have minimum 3-bedroom houses. It's a normal thing, right? We live in big houses in Indians, but our house must be the smallest among all the families we know here. So yeah.
So we chose this smaller house. So that's one part, and we also kind of stick to a minimalistic, simple living approach, which obviously started with lesser finances, but yeah, now this has become a way of life, and we are kind of liking it. Yeah, I had to kind of take. I love Indian food and
home cooked food,
and Surabhi being going like with kids, she's most of the time out, busy. She doesn't get time to cook home cooked food, and yeah, I generally miss it. So we quite often go to eat out. So initially it was difficult for me, but now that I've kind of adjusted, and now I've also started liking, and we quite often go out. So that's another thing we have to take care. And another thing is, yeah, the house now, because I was working from home in COVID. It's a noisy house. Yeah, people are crying. Mostly Sia is crying, and
I'm talking, giving lectures, and talking aloud.
So I have to really push them. Okay, guys, keep the volume down a bit when I'm on a calls.
And he's especially invested in like noise cancellation home, like very expensive ones, just because he's like, I can't focus when you guys are talking so much whole day.
So yeah, so I think that at least the problem is solved for now, thanks to technology. Yeah, the noise cancellation headphones have really helped actually, and I think that's the adjustment I have to kind of.
And the house is not perfect in a way. It's not completely clean all the time, and I always try that his room is not touched, his table is not touched, and we make all the mess outside, our crafts, our projects, because he's working, right? He needs some focus, but this house is not clean all the time.
Yeah, so I have kind of let go the concept of pitch perfect clean house. I'm okay. Yeah, it's obviously it's clean. It's not that it's not clean, but yeah, it's not really pitch perfect home you see in typical houses. So I think I've kind of taken that also.
Yeah. So the question which I have, and which my mother also tells me that. He basically funded my post-graduation. I did my MBA after I got married, and because he forced me literally that you should study, you are capable of, why don't you study? And we took a loan, and basically when I decided after my graduation, post-graduation, I worked for some time, and then I decided to quit. So this was big thing. Like, he invested in my education, we had loans, and still I think that was a very big deal that you say like, it's okay, I'll take care of it. And apart from these changes, I know that not getting home cooked food is a big deal for him. You know, not a like quiet or like focused house is a big deal for him. So my question to you is, it was like asked by mothers, like, why you cope up with it? Like, why you have to keep up with me? You know, why couldn't you say, Surabhi, no, we have these financial liabilities, you have to go to work. Why did you support me, basically?
Okay, I think...
And all the controversial decisions, let's start from beginning.
I think the very first reason for me supporting this whole concept of homeschooling is your happiness. So she is choosing what she wants to do, right? And how many people in the world gets that kind of opportunity, and I want to really support her in whatever way possible I can. You know, she's happy, and she has chosen what she really likes, and that makes her happy, and that makes me happy. And if I see my kids also, they are also not under pressure a lot. We are not very academic focused, I would say. It's more to do, the more focus is to do with the life skills, and I think they are doing, I would say, good. And that really makes them, happy kids. And in this overall thing, we are kind of a happy family where my wife is happy, kids are happy. So yeah, so
that makes you happy.
That makes me happy. And I think with homeschooling we have spent okay, it's not that in the COVID obviously I'm working from home, but before that also we as a family used to spend a lot of time together. And I think that has really made a strong bond within a family. So that is also one of the thing. And I love my flexibility. With this homeschooling thing, now we have the whole responsibility of, obviously the financial is on my side, but this also gives me clear focus of responsibility, clear focus of, I can focus on my work. I can, she's taking care of the kids and the house, and I am taking care of the financial angle, and so I'm focusing on my work, and that is really helping me to be much conscious about my time, conscious about what I do. So this has also helped me to grow, and we don't have to match the three schedules, the kids and wife and mine. So it's all on me. The day I have a holiday, or the week I have a holiday, yeah, we can go outing, we can go home to our native place and all. So everything is on me. So that gives quite a good freedom to me, which I kind of like.
And you don't have to pick up kids from school, and you don't have to plan their things, and everything is on me, whatever I say, whatever I do, he just like keeps like accountability but no responsibility on kids front. So he's very happy that you take care of it. Like, he's just happy doing his own work, which he likes doing it. So he loves his job, actually.
So I don't have to go to PTMs, no morning rush. So that is also helping. So we don't want to be lethargic or lazy about it, but yeah, at least that's kind of a flexibility which is really helping me, and I kind of like it.
Yeah, but again, this question also has come from parents also, and few of your friends also have told that being required for, one is working for needs basically, but the wife should be financially independent. Okay, your friends have told that a woman should be financially independent if they're educated, and like every woman should be financially independent. What is your take? Because your wife is no more financially independent in a way. I don't earn a single penny. So what is your stand, and how do you answer your friends about it?
Yeah, I think there are two aspects to that. One is financial independence of family, or financial independence or financial freedom for the wife. If I see about the financial family aspect, I have kind of roughly planned it out. Okay, nobody can plan 100%, but the way I planned is, okay, if if I have if I lose a job, we keep 6 months of salary or 6 months expenses. We keep in that. And another thing is I have taken a term insurance in case something happens to me. So
as a financial security for me and kids, because I don't earn, so,
so
that way whatever is our our normal lifestyle, whatever we calculated, he took that backup, like this much money you will survive for 3-4 years, god forbid if something happens, till I figure out what to do.
So for our according to our needs and lifestyle, we have kind of come to a number, and it's and I really encourage everybody to do that, because you never know when things go wrong actually. So that's more or less
financial backup he has created for us as a family.
And coming to her financial freedom, so what I have done is I have we put a cash in the house, not much, but generally in Singapore, there is most of the things are online, so I've given her credit card. I never ask, I have to pay the bill. I generally keep a bit of accountability, but she's free to do whatever she wants.
I can swipe the card anywhere. He never questions me, and so I never feel like it's not my money, because this card is mine. This is completely mine. So in a way, I have full financial freedom. I never have to ask money for him, and I don't even know how much bill is coming, honestly. I just tell him that if you see some discrepancy, like very odd, you let me know, because we have like how much will I spend. So he just keeps paying, he pays the bill. I don't know when it happens, but I have the full freedom to spend anywhere, and so I never feel that I am not earning any money, though that's because he never asks. He never asks.
Yeah, so we take this as a complete family thing, right? It's not her or my money. If I'm doing the job, it's not my money. It is the family's money, and everybody is responsible for it. And everybody, and I know from the history, right? It's not that she overspent. I do keep a tab on the,
because you're paying the bill. You know how much I'm spending.
Yeah. So every month I pay, but and in fact I don't even use that card for any other transaction.
Yeah,
so
that's only my card. It's my card. It's always with me since it is. I have lost it 2 times and I got it again. So yeah, that's my card. So I never have to.
So we have different credit cards. So it's like it's for her, and she do whatever
I want to do with it.
Do it, and I think, and she. I know she's not misusing it, so that's what I can say. So she has the power to swipe any amount, but I think that's and it's not my money or her money. It's together. If she spends more, we save less, and vice versa. So I think this financial, obviously it's up to you. You have to feel, and we take as a family. So it's a family money, and
so it's not that I save for myself. I save because that is a family target, like how much we want to save per month. So how much I spend also is very conscious, because I know it's not that if I swipe somewhere extra he'll question me, but I know that it'll hit somewhere our saving part. So that's a mutual thing. Like it's a not unspoken thing, right? So we as a family, I have full financial freedom, he has full financial freedom. I have the cards, he has the cards. We have common cash, who has 7 needs, pick it up from there, but really in Singapore you use cash. So I never felt that I don't have the financial freedom, and I'm someone who has earned till 2013. I was the one who used to pay all the house bills from my bank account, because he could not keep a tab on which bill and how, and deadlines and everything. So I used to pay every damn bill of our household myself from my salary account, and now I don't. And I think it's very much like I don't have to keep a tab on any payments. Like I just swipe cards. So that way I really actually like it, respect of the responsibility part, but I don't feel that I have to ask money, or I don't earn it. I don't know. I feel very secure, very confident, and it's just a feeling thing. And I have all the financial freedom, even though I don't earn a single penny. And it's some part of me that that's how I am, but I'm very grateful for him giving me that comfort zone. So that's how we manage our finances, and he is okay irrespective of all his friends saying that wife should be financially independent, but he is okay me being a stay-at-home mom, and I'm happily enjoying the full-time mom role. So that's it for today I have, because we have 3 more questions, but we are already touching 15 minutes. So thank you for joining us, and we'll see you again with 3 more questions. They are left in the list. So thank you so much for watching. Any more questions, please shoot. He'll be happy to answer. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.